What up, y'all? This is FL Studio. How to zoom out. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit Control and move your mouse or move your scroller thing. There's two ways to do it. Alt stretches it out up like that. Alt, Control. So if you want to do both, you gotta do them one by one. Alt, Control, Alt. That's zooming out or in, really. This is zooming out. So you're just gonna do the opposite. Alt, Control, Alt, scroll. Hit that scroll thing on your mouse. You can do that, or you could go here and go here. Click, expand. Click, expand. And then expanding the length is mostly this right here. You're gonna click that, or to shrink. So you get what I'm saying. So that's pretty much how you manage that. This won't do it. This doesn't have that auto clicky thing like this does, like the auto stretch. But you gotta hit this right here. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Remember, Control, Alt, this and that. That's how you're zooming in and out. This also can work, but I wouldn't say that's a surefire method, but it is there. So thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to one channel. Stay tuned for this video. This is about auto tuning and whatnot. I need preview. Alright, peace out.